Hi guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to be see how to register for CA examination. Before we enter into our video, please subscribe our channel. To register CA exam forms, we have to log in into SSP Portal. You have to enter your user ID and password, and you have to enter login button. Yeah, we have entered into our SSP Portal. This is our home page. We have to select exam functions to apply for our exams. In this page, exam registration form options will be appear. If you have already opened that form, then that form will be in submitted or pending forms. We have to select it and have to enter this. Yeah, in this page already we have registered for some exams. No, that exam forms will be appear here. We have to select action button. Yeah, here important guidelines will be appear. You have to read it and we have to select it and okay. In this page, your photograph and the signatures will be appear. Actually, these photos and signatures will be appear in your admit card. So please ensure the both of those will be appear in this page. Then select as your students details and contact details and correspondence address will be everything will be available in this page. You have to select next. In this page your course details and your qualification details everything will be visible here. Yeah, here if you have already get any exemptions in any paper, you have to select yes and enter your, in which year and month you have passed in that paper. You have to enter that details and your roll number and that paper's marks you have to enter. Otherwise, you may select no, and then we have to select next. Your medium details you have to be entered. That is if you're Hindi student you have to select Hindi, otherwise English. Then center details you have to enter. If you are going to appear both groups you have to select both or one group single groups or each papers every papers you have to select it here. I'll select a group one and your region. You may be a south, north, or east, west, central. You have to select whatever region you are. Select the south. Then exam states you have to enter Andhra like the way. I'll select the Tamil Nadu. Then you have to select your exam city zones. I'll select anything. Yeah, yeah. Your zone details will be appear here. You have to ensure it your zones. Then your fees details will be appear. If you are select a group, both groups rupees 2700. If you are going to appear in single group 1500. Then you have to select agree and submit. In next page you will be in payment section. um, you may use your debit card or credit cards or UPI ID, anything you may use our net banking itself. You may use to pay. Um, then that exam forms will be appear. I'll show it in next page.
After we paid, it will be redirected into this page. We have to click here and download your application.
Okay, guys, let's see in another video. Please like, share, and subscribe our channel. Until then, bye.